Hello everyone, this is Umar back with another video. In today's video, I will be sharing my strategies to get you most out of every single visitor that you get on your website. Yes, I'm talking about monetization strategies. Since with Google integrating AI into search and the evolvement of artificial intelligence in the form of chatbots like Bard, ChatGPT, and Bing Chat, the landscape of building niche website is going to be changed a lot. If you own a content heavy website in any niche, yes, you heard it right, I think you can monetize it in three ways: display ads, affiliate commission, and selling your products, also known as e commerce. Although exceptions exist, such as this may not work in net worth or APK type of niches. Alright, so first things first, if you are going with display ads, Mediavine wins the battle here. They have their own requirements, such as you must have 50,000 sessions in the previous 30 days, and the majority of the traffic should be coming from USA. Well, if you don't have that visitor requirements met for Mediavine, go with Ezoic. Since the revenue shared by Google AdSense per 1000 visitors is a lot less as compared to Mediavine and Ezoic. Alright, next up we have affiliate commission. Affiliate marketing works in a simple way. You promote their products, you get a cut from the sale. Simple, isn't it? So, if we think outside Amazon, there is a lot more opportunity in affiliate marketing. We have direct affiliate with brands and platforms that offer affiliate commissions per sale, such as EventLink offered for REI in the outdoors niche. Other than physical products, you can look for digital products in your niche and sign up as their affiliate, such as Max Bounty, JVZoo, or even look for course sellers or software subscriptions and become their affiliate partner to sell their digital products. For example, my audience is mostly SEO professionals and they are either working with AI content or use AI content detectors. That's why I'm an affiliate partner with Content at Scale, which is AI content generation tool. If you want to give it a try, sign up using my LinkedIn description to get 20% off in additional free credits. So, if you have resources, look for the opportunities in your niche where you can do one-time effort and sell as a digital product. Could be templates, cheat sheets, research reports, or anything that can add legitimate value to your website and your audience can't resist to buy that product. Next up, we have our third way down the line, and that is e-commerce. But wait, Omar, we can't outsource the products if we want to sell. What about the shipments? Payment integration issues. Hey, who is asking you to do it on your own? You can simply create a shop page and link your product pages to Amazon. Your conversion rate will shoot through the roof since the intent of these visitors browsing this shop page is highly commercial. You can choose your best selling products and list them here. Thanks to Hamza Khurshid from the Blogging Lab for this tip. Although I would highly recommend you do the shipping on your own to get the high margins on your profits if your resources allow that. So, depending on the niche, you can sell your own branding merchandise as well, especially in the lifestyle niche. Items like t-shirts, hoodies, or mugs can be a hit. But you have to have a loyal audience base. Same goes for newsletter. Sure, you can just add a box to collect emails, but the conversion rate for that audience will be really low. Rather, if you can offer them something really valuable for which they would normally pay for and ask them to sign up, the response will be much higher. And if you promote products to this audience, they will convert like crazy. Send one email a month and cash some extra bucks. Cool, isn't it? Some websites implement freemium content strategy where they provide basic information for free and charge for more advanced, in-depth, and detailed material. For example, you may give away an ebook on increasing Twitter followers for free, but charge for more advanced strategies to grow their Twitter account. Coming to the next point, guest writers. Hey Omar, are you asking us to sell guest posts? Yes and no. Quality content is gold. Have a strict and detailed editorial guidelines and sell guest posts for premium price only. If someone is paying premium, they will not supply garbage content most of the time. You earn money and they got the link. Simple. Lastly, partnerships. If your niche allows, look for the opportunities where you can partner with coaches, consultants, and trainers. They have got the real expertise that you can leverage. They may host webinars or offer consulting services. It's totally up to you how you build this funnel. Again, this can be a huge opportunity. In the end, it's all about providing real value to your visitors. As I believe, you earn money for the value you create. The more you do it, the more you earn, right? So there you have it. I would love to hear your thoughts, and if you have got more ideas, let me know in comments. I hope you found this video useful. If you need help with your website's SEO or link building, go ahead and book a 30-minute call with me via growthwinner.com, link in description. That's all for today. Have a good one. Bye-bye.